Welcome to the next lesson in this module, where you'll learn some of the major windows within Android Studio. Android Studio is comprised of a lot of tools and specialized editor windows that you'll learn how to make use of. In particular, this lesson will discuss the three most commonly used windows within Android Studio. The main editor window is where you will edit the source code files within your project. The project files window will show you the files within your current project and allow you to select and open files you want to edit. And the layout editor is where you will see the files that define what your app's user interface look like and be able to edit them. After completing this lesson, you'll understand what the main editor window, the project window, and the layout editor window look like and their function. Let us now take a tour of the Android Studio Integrated Development Environment. The Android Studio IDE has a lot of features and tools available to us. We will only cover some of the most important ones right now. For example, the main window here is where you will view, create, and edit the files that will make up your project. The left-hand side of the window is where you will have an overview of your project as a whole. But these windows are dynamic and movable. You can easily expand and shrink individual windows, such as clicking on the project window right now. It will open and close the project view for us. You can also drag and slide the windows once you put your cursor over the dividing line, and two arrows appear. Then you can grab and pull in either direction. In the main editing window, you can click the tab up here at the top, and that will take you to the file that you want to view. In this example right now, we are currently viewing the main activity.java. I'm going to click on the activity_main.xml. The main editor window here in the center is also where you will view your user interface layout files. Our automatically generated layout file, activity_main.xml, is what you are seeing right now. When we clicked on the new tab, the visual representation of our user interface layout file was rendered for us to see. This editor right here is what is called a "what you see is what you get" editor, meaning you can drag and drop a new user interface component onto the layout and it will appear how we place it. So for example, I can grab a new button, drag it onto the application, let go, and a new button is applied to the user interface. However, the layout files themselves are actually XML files. If you come down here to the bottom and click text, it will show you the actual XML file that is creating the user interface that we were just looking at. You click back on design and you can see the rendered version of it. Now that you've completed this lesson, you should understand how to navigate to and use these major windows within Android Studio. In particular, where the main editor window is for editing source code files, where the project view window is for viewing and selecting files, and where the layout editor is for editing the app's user interface files.